So, hi children, in my effort to give you solid background in physics to face good IIT, JEE, CBSE boards of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Kerala, Himachal question paper, I will temporarily break the flow by giving you this beautiful IIT question. Now, we know 100-watt bulbs, 60 watt and 40 watts glow with this 100-watt brightest, 60-watt brighter and 40-watt least bright. Now, we change the wiring. It is no longer parallel. We just try it with series. See, this is 220 volt, 50 cycles per second, our domestic supply at home. And here is 100 watt, 60 watt, 40 watt. My simple question is, in series, which one will be brightest? Is it 100-watt, then 60-watt, then 40, or is it 40, 60? Which bulb will be the brightest? You have to give me the answer. Whether 40 is the brightest, and then second is 60, and 100 is the least bright. And remember, don't try to do any mathematics, because these questions are purely concept. The only thing is pure conceptual. The only thing is you remember, in series, the current is same. When the current is same, then you please remember also, I have told you, you have done the problem. 100 watt has the least resistance, 60 watt has got medium resistance, 40 watt has the highest resistance. And remember this, C is same, see, R40 greater than R60 greater than R100. And remember only the power, the brightness is I square R. So you tell me, I will give you 3 days to answer this. So now we'll come to the most important invention of Michael Faraday. The second one, it is a capacitor. He used a humble ice pail to demonstrate the effect of charge with a cold leaf electroscope. Ice pail is the one in which the people those days used to put ice so that there will be less heat escape from this inside to the outside. So here there are two aluminium ice pail, one, and then the second one is this, number 2, and in between there is a rubber, so that this will not be in contact. This aluminium 2 will not be in contact with aluminium 1, and this is a rubber insulator, so that it will not be grounded. And here this is a cold leaf electroscope. I don't write the casing, just this will do. So here now, as insulating thread is attached to a sphere, and this sphere has got charge. So when this sphere is dropped till this, don't touch this, till the bottom, you will see it will have maximum divergence. Here, divergence will be small, and when you reach here, you will have maximum divergence. And now, as the charge sphere is lowered down, the leaves slowly diverge, increase. Then, as the sphere is pulled up, I pull up the sphere, this leaf collapse. Okay. What happened is, when it is here, this is, suppose now this is plus. If this is plus, this will be negative by influence or by induction. Induction or influence, this will be negative, this is plus say, and so this will be negative, and this negative, by the induction again, this will be positive. See? Okay, now, So as the sphere is lowered down, the leaves slowly diverge. Then now, as the sphere is pulled up, leaf curl up. So when you pull up, this this induced charge here die down, and when there is no induced charge here, the induced charge due to the negative here also die down. Now, the number 3, very important. Try number 1 again, but when you pull this, you push it down, but when you pull it up, you just touch this with your finger. When you touch this here with your finger, it is just a small earthing. That means when you touch this negative, if this is plus, this induced negative will be grounded, and when it is grounded, you will find what? You will find that the leaves diverge. See? The leaf diverge. But they will diverge only when you have touched it. You touch this and at the same time you pull it, so you'll find that the leaves diverge. And here we understand now one very important principle, that if there are two aluminum pail cylinders, say, two aluminum cylinders separated by rubber, we can store charge. Simply by dropping a sphere, by touching this, we store the permanent charge on the outer cylinder. See? So this is the first achievement of Faraday to store charge, and this is known as ice pail experiment in 19th century. So I will continue on this for more detail. So we will meet tomorrow. Good night.